Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube channel. This is useful if you want to remove your content or start fresh with a new channel, but it's important to be careful because deleted content cannot be recovered. So basically, what you'll have to do is simply go to YouTube, and then click on your profile picture in the top right corner. After that, you'll have to simply go to Settings, and then you have to simply go to Advanced Settings. Next, simply click on Delete Channel. As you can see, deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account, so you have to click on Delete Channel. After that, you have to simply enter your password, and then you have to simply click on Next. After that, you have two options. You can either select, I want to hide my content, or I want to permanently delete my content. If you just want to temporarily remove your videos or comments, choose, I want to hide my content. But if you want to delete your channel entirely, you'll have to select, I want to permanently delete my content. And then simply click on Delete my content. A few extra tips. Make sure to download any videos or content you want to keep before deleting your channel. Once deleted, you cannot recover them. Double-check that you are logged into the correct YouTube account to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong channel. If you run multiple channels, consider hiding your content first to test how your viewers might respond before fully deleting. And that's all. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another YouTube tutorial you'd like me to make. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.